Hey you guys, something different today. Today we're reviewing the uh, Soviet paratroopers Afghanistan kit figures 1/35th scale by Zvezda. Here you get the number 36, catalog number 3619, scale 1 to 35, Soviet paratroopers Afghanistan. Very nice picture. You can pause the video to read. They have like a small, like an abstract explaining what was the role of Soviet paratroopers in Afghanistan. Anyways, check out the detail on these figures, you guys. Absolute beauty. Absolutely crazy detail. Check out the sniper rifle, the Kalashnikovs, all of these military gear. Even there's a guy in a coat, all wearing body armor, I think, because Soviet paratroopers in Afghanistan were, I think, kind of elite forces. We can see the helicopter coming to get them, I think, from some kind of mountain or something. Maybe they ambushed some Afghani mujahideens, the what they call the opposition, the insurgents who were in opposition to the current regime. So the Soviet forces kind of supported the current regime militarily in Afghanistan. You can Google that up. But we're checking now the model itself, the figures themselves. Check out the quality, you guys. I already assembled a couple of figures. They assemble very nicely. Here's the sniper, you guys. Check it out. He's sitting and he's aiming with his sniper rifle. This one. And the crazy thing, you guys, see, I did not glue the arms yet because there's a choice. You can choose arm already attached to the weapon and the weapon separately. So you can either attach the weapon with the arm attached, or see this one, you attach the hand and then you put the weapon into the hand. See, and this is the finger on the trigger there. So see, also with Kalashnikovs, there's one without the hand, one with the hand. So there's this very nice option. All is very nicely done. The helmet's there, all kinds of gear, small shovel, the spare magazines for the assault rifles, the medic bag. You can actually see the detail, the crazy detail on the medic bag. There's actually even Red Cross embossed on it, so it gives you the idea where to paint the colors or something, because the medic wears the bag with the red cross, tiny red cross. Anyways, check out the assault rifles, you guys, with some mortars. Beautiful, beautiful figures. Beautiful kit, you guys. Beautiful instructions from Zvezda. Check it out. Figure 1, figure 2. Very nice instruction. You can see there what I was talking about, the option. See, there's the separate hand, there's the hand with the rifle. Same here, same everywhere. See, it gives you the general idea on the figures themselves. I think this is the commander, this is the radio guy, there's the medic with the medic bag, here's like a paratrooper, the sniper, and the fire support, maybe fire support guy or whatever it's called, with a machine gun, Kalashnikov machine gun, I think, sniper rifle. This guy is really aiming. So the figures are in action, look very nice. You can assemble, like you can build like a little diorama or something. Very nice kit. So this is it for today, you guys. Follow us, like and subscribe for further updates. We will update you on this kit. I will try to assemble it and paint it and finish it as soon as possible, you guys. So stick around and thanks for watching. See you guys.